This is not your average market. It's floating. Welcome to Damnoen Saduak, floating market, Thailand. Locals sell everything you can imagine, right from their boats. From tropical fruits to sizzling street food, it's all floating by. Here you can eat the famous Thai coconut ice cream. Or you can drink a good Thai beer. It's a relaxing atmosphere and a totally unique experience. Imagine ordering hot food while floating on a canal. Would you visit a floating market like this? If you enjoyed this material, consider subscribing for more.